Hi, my name is Elena Diaz. Thank you for watching this video. Let me show you what I have for you. These are Canva templates to nurture your leads and your clients. So, something that is important for you to know is that you can customize these templates. Yes, you can use your colors, you can change the images, you can do whatever you want with them because they're yours. There are many templates out there and you can buy them, you can make them yourself, but it is important that you know how to set them up and how to properly create your automations. So these templates come with all the videos that you need to set up these automations. And I know that these automations might not be available out there. It doesn't matter if you buy the lowest kit, you still will get the videos that you need to set up those automations. Go ahead, buy the kit that you need. You can see all the information that each kit has, or you can buy them all for just one price. I hope you like them and I hope it can bring you more leads and more sales. Thank you.